Hey guys, I'm just here to give you guys a friendly reminder to make sure you're subscribing to my TikTok page so you can learn how to do human hair crochets with wilted hair, just like here in these videos. It is so manageable, it is so natural, and I am really ready to show you guys how to do the human hair crochets with wilted hair. So if you would love to learn, make sure you are subscribed to my page so when I go live, you can get the step-by-step details on how I achieve this look. Because you're going to want to know. You're going to want to know, okay? So, also, if you would like to book an appointment to get this service done, you can book me at www.vanityfixinghair.com or call 706-572-6985 to book this appointment. And like I said, make sure you're subscribed to my page to learn step by step on how to do the human hair crochets as in this video. And I hope to see you guys next month in April on my live.